Today in this video I am going to guide you step by step that how to learn English from beginning. So this video is for beginner who wants to learn English from beginning, who wants to start his English speaking journey. So stay with me till end. So I will share with you the 5 steps for learning English. So first is that learn the phrases. Phrases means, and try to also speak those phrases in your conversation. Phrases means that hi, hello, how are you, welcome, thank you, excuse me. So these are the small phrases that you have to speak in your conversation, and you will also have to share with your friends, with your family members, with your teachers. These are the small phrases. And second thing is that learn the pronunciation and how to improve your pronunciation. For improving your pronunciation, you need to learn the small stories. You need to watch the small stories. And now how will you watch those small stories? So for learning, for watching those small stories, you will have to watch in 3 rounds the same story. Like how? In a first round, you will have to watch carefully with all ears. You will have to watch in first round, and in second round you have to watch with subtitle. Like when you get the subtitle, so start reading those subtitle. When you read those subtitle loudly, then your ear will listen, your mind will start thinking that what is the meaning of this sentence, what is the meaning of this word, and what is the moral of this story. Then your mind will start thinking automatically, and you will get the environment in your mind. So first make the environment in your mind, and don't make the environment outside. First make the environment in your mind. When your mind will think in English, then you will get the instruction to speak in English. And whatever word, whatever like good sentences you will get from there, just keep one small diary and write it down English, and take out the Hindi from the any dictionary and Google, whatever you want you can search and write it down the Hindi. And the third thing, that learn new words, learn new vocabs. It is, I think it is a common problem for every learners, who is from basic level, who is from advanced level. So for learning vocabs, what you have to do, like you can buy these type of book, the self-help book you can buy, and this book will also help you to improve your English. And there are many benefits of reading such a books. First, when you read, like there are so much content, when you read these content, by speaking you have to read, and you will get the words, and it will also give you the fluency to speak English. Like when we start speaking English, we get stuck. So you will not get stuck when you read such a book. So for beginners, they have to read approximately for 1 hour, for half hour every day. And the third thing is practice. Now how will you do practice? For doing practice, you can search on Google. There are many role plays, like role play between brother and sister, role play between mother and daughter, and also teacher and student, friend to friend, doctor and patient. There are many role plays. Go on Google and search those role play and read it, that how they convert conversation to each other, and you will get the conversation there, and read it and implement in your life. And it is a very very most important thing that you have not to do. Like who is beginner, so don't try to talk with anyone. First you have to make the environment in your mind, and first you have to talk with yourself in English. Then you are going to learn English. What happens when we talk with our friend, with our relative, and with our family members? Firstly, they demotivate us. Like, oh, he is going to become Angrez, he is learning English, he and she is speaking wrong English, she is not speaking right English. They are never going to appreciate you. So please, in a beginning, don't try to talk with anybody, just try to talk with yourself. And whatever content, whatever data you are getting in English, just take one notebook and write it down. And also try to speak when you are alone. And the fifth thing is that learn grammar. So means I will tell you in the next video that which grammar topics you have to cover in your speaking. Like you have not to learn the whole grammar is too much, but you have not to learn the whole grammar. There are some specific topic that you have to learn in your grammar, then you can speak in English clearly. And also the fifth thing that whatever you speak slowly and clearly. Don't be in hurry, don't speak in hurry. When you speak in hurry, you forget some words, some sentences. You will miss, you are not going to speak well when you speak in hurry. So speak slowly and speak clearly. Like whatever you are speaking, speak clearly. If you don't know the pronunciation of this word, then go and search and take the pronunciation and start repeating, start speaking. And it is a very important thing that avoid some common mistakes that everybody does. The mistake is don't be afraid to make a mistake.